Okay, first we need to go to official site of Oracle software. Here it is, Oracle Software Delivery Cloud. Click it. Now we need to sign in. If you don't have account, you need to register here first. I have my account already registered, so I will sign in straight away. Now here, sign in. Go to download package, then type here Primavera P6 Pro Professional Project Management, first one. Now select it. Now you may see different versions of P6, but we are interested in the latest one, 18.8. Add to cart. Select software. Here you can see for all or for Microsoft Windows. Okay, let's select all. Check everything. Already it's checked, so just need to continue. Here is the license agreement. Of course we need to agree on it like other softwares. Okay, continue. Feedback you can give. I already have done this one, no need this time. Then let's check everything. Okay, let it download. Total is around 400 MB. No issue. Download. What is this? Let's check where we want to download it. Okay. Now it's downloading. Automatically stop and it is done. So see you once it's done. Let me stop this video. Okay, so let's see how to install. This is file we got. You may get more files, but I got this one. Go to it, setup. I'll go for typical. Okay, and just wait a bit. Run database configuration, check it, click OK. Here Oracle, Microsoft SQL, P6 Pro, select this one. You can select other, but for time being let me select this one. Next, database. Here add a new standalone database in connection. Next, login name, you can choose any. I'm okay with add months, so everywhere is add month. For base currency, yeah, no need to touch this one, later we can see it. Here load sample data. Yeah, it's good if you are doing first time, load it so you can play around, check it. Here, okay, file I already have, so I need to overwrite. You may not have this one, so here connection successful, good, finish, and we are done. Now let's go where it is installed. P6, yeah, click it. Here if you want to select any other language you can, but I am okay with English, so I will paste my admin password here. Connect. It's connecting with database, not with internet or something else. the industry. Okay, I will select, yeah, change industry, admin preferences, industry. Mine is engineering and construction. Your may be different. Choose the right one. Close. Okay, now we got these sample projects. If you want, you can review any. So here are the activities and all this stuff. I hope you know all this, or later we will make some videos to learn this one as well. You can go to WBS to check. Then this is resource assignment. Okay, these are the resources. Hope it helped. Thank you for watching. See you.